hope you guys are doing well. Put a couple questions up here. What is the mean and what is the median? What is the mean? What is the median? Mean, you guys may remember, means average. Median is a different type of looking at almost the same concept. It's a different method for doing that. So looking at this first thing, what's the mean? What's the average? We have 5 numbers up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, and 25. How do we find the mean? You guys can go ahead and pause the video, work through it, see how you can find that, and then come back. I'm going to show you here right now though. So up here, first we need to add them all together. We're going to have 10, and we're going to add that to 15, and we're going to add that to 20, and we're going to add that to 5, and we're going to add that to 25. So we have to add all these together first. We're going to add them all together. So looking up here, 5 and 5 and 5, looks like we're going to have a 5 down here. We're going to carry the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got something like 75. The way we find the mean is we take this number, this 75, and we divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up here I'm going to have 75 divided by 5. Looking at that, how many times does 5 go into 7? 1 time. I get a 5. Bring down the 2. I get a 25. How many times does 5 go into 25? 5 times. 15 is our answer. What is the mean? The mean of this is going to be 15. Once again, how did we get that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. That's why we divide by 5. Add up the numbers. We get 75. 75 divided by 5 gives us our 15. The median is a little bit different. To find the median, normally you want to write the numbers in order. I'm going to write 5. That's our smallest one. I'm going to go to our next one is 10. That's our next biggest. I'm going to go to 15. That's our next biggest. I'm going to go to 20. That's our next biggest. I'm going to go to 25. That's our next biggest number. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in order. The way we find the median is we look at the middle number. The middle number in this case is 15. It's not always the case that the mean and the median are the same. Let me say that again. It's not always the case that we're going to get the same number for both the mean and the median. Sometimes these numbers are different. In this case, they were the same. We found them with very different methods, but it turned out that the numbers were the same.